What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you an app that can pay you $5 or more doing simple tasks legitimately. Okay, what you can see here: get paid to make an impact, join toluka and do micro tasks that support new A1 products and research. Earn money wherever and whenever you want. All you need is your device connected to the internet. Okay, start any. So once you click on this start any button right now, you are going to sign up in the app. This is the website. So this is the website. Now I'm just going to click on this out. This is the website. Now, as you can see about toluka, the A1 we use every day learns from data. Huge amount of data provided by humans. Toluka is where engineers go collect data for training A1. They post simple tasks with instructions, and people anywhere in the world can complete the task and get paid. Okay, this is the local mission working together to power the A1, the A1 and empower human. Now, there are some tasks, there are some things A1 agent can do, of which they will need human being to do it. Okay, engineers are people. Companies come to this app and drop the jobs here and allow humans like us to do this task. Okay, tasks like maybe completing a survey, or maybe completing a random post, or maybe verifying something like that. These are simple tasks you can do. These are tasks computers or A1 can do. So companies like tech companies come to this app and post this kind of jobs here, and they want human being to test this thing out to see how it works for that and give back and let them give back their reviews. So that's what this app is all about. So this app is available on Google Play Store. It's also available on Apple Store. If you're using an iPhone or a Android phone, it works for both. Now, type of task: image and videos. Okay, as you can see, moderate images and videos. Make sure the visual content is appropriate. Now, test. These are type of tasks on the website. As you can see, image and video test, audio, city task, information and surveys. These are type of tasks on the website. As you can click here, you are going to be accessing the type of task. So classify audio, categorized by mode, theme, and instrument. As you can see there, we can ask you to just test out an audio, maybe listen to audio or something. Test, classify, test, categorize, test size, and everything. These are kind of tasks you can do on the platform. As you can see, these are kind of the tasks you can do on this very platform. Now we are going to move down to the reason to sign up on toluka. Now choose your task and do them whenever you want, at home, on your way to work, or sitting in the car. Get paid quickly, fast, and secure. One of the best ways about this task is that you can even if you can't complete it instantly, you can do half of the task and leave it and complete it after you are done. And the best way is that you get paid in dollars. With this website, you get paid in dollars. As you can see, simple task. You don't need to have any special skills or education. Convenient, fast payment, mobile app. Okay, download the app. Download it on Google Play Store and App Store. Okay, how it works: take a few minutes to sign up. It's totally free. Complete a quick training set to learn how to do particular type of task. Pick the task, carefully read the instructions, complete the assignment, withdraw your earnings from the toluka account with one of our fastest and secure payment method. And tell your friends about toluka and get a referral bonus. If you also tell your friend about toluka, you also get a referral bonus, and it's totally free. Telling your friends about it is an additional way to make money from this very platform. This is how you get paid. You get paid through PayPal, Payoneer, or other payment methods. Okay, so if you have a Payoneer account, a PayPal account, you can easily withdraw funds from this account. Okay, these are stories from our tolukas and engineer and YouTube blogger. I'm an engineer, but I started for a way to make money online. Because of this pandemic, I have been doing tasks on toluka every day since November 2020. In my opinion, toluka is one of the best platform for any money online. Okay, these are also people giving their review, and these are international clients. So if you're in Africa, if you are in Nigerian, if you're in Ghana, no matter the country you are, this app works for almost every country. Okay, it does not have country barriers, and is an international platform of which you get paid in dollars. Our values, opportunity, freedom, and flexibility everywhere counts. Now, just go straight to Google Play Store. If you're using an Android phone, if you're using an Apple device, you just go to the App Store. If you're using an Apple device, go straight to App Store and search for toluka. Toluka, this is what you see: earn money. As you can see, go down here. It has 4-star review. As you can see, these are 4-star reviews. These are reviews, and he has up $10 million. $10 million. You can go down here and see look at what people are saying. As you can see, 5-star review is the highest. Okay, 5-star review is the highest. So you just download the app from Google Play Store, then you're going to open the app. So once you open the app, you're going to sign up with your Gmail. Okay, as you can see in their first week, active local make up to $30. Okay, they perform tasks every day for at least 1 hour. Okay, good. More than 50 type of tasks, 1 to 5 minutes long. Interesting. Okay, find tasks nearby. Just go ahead and create an account with them. So once you are here, they are going to ask you for some details. Make sure you fill in the required details and make sure they are accurate. Okay. So they're going to ask you for your address and your Gmail address. You are going to use Google. Okay, you are going to use Google as you can see down. You also create ID. Go to create ID. Create ID. So they are going to ask you for your number. You are going to insert your number here. To insert your number, they will send a verification code to your number, which you are going to copy the code and paste it down here. So it's already verified. So now you're going to insert your first name. Make sure you are entering your appropriate account details. You're going to insert your first name there. You're going to click on next. Make sure you agree to their privacy, accept. Then once you accept their privacy, it's going to load up. Then tell us about yourself. So they are going to ask for your date of birth. Then you agree. They are going to ask for your date of birth, and you're going to say, "I'm willing to perform tasks with adult content." Okay, accept their privacy. Then you insert the date of birth. Then you enter your country. I'm from Nigerian. Enter the country you are, any country you are. Click on continue. Then which language do you speak? English. You can insert other language you speak. Okay, just insert other language. If you speak other language, insert it because there are tasks that are also based on language. Maybe French. Okay, maybe there's a task that will ask you to at least transcribe. Okay, French, Spanish, Chinese, or maybe any other languages. Okay, I just want to leave English here. I can just add French. I can speak French a little. I'll just add French then. I'm going to add French then. I'm going to click on continue. Start any money. Once you click on there, it's going to create up your account. So your account is already created. As you can see, these are the available jobs. I click on French. That's why it's bringing a French task. As you can see, this is a French task right here. Okay, that's why you must be very careful when selecting your language. Okay, if you click on French, if you can understand French, please go ahead. But if you don't understand French, please leave it at English. And this is a French task. Now there's a task here, and this is another task down here: English comprehension test. Take the test and get more pay tasks. These are tasks down here. Okay, this is a French task also. Take a selfie and earn $4, earn 4 cents. Now take a selfie and earn 4 cents. And this is a French task also, earn 10 cents. This is another task, product image validation, premium exam, and these are tasks. This is 9 cents, 2 cents. So these are tasks on the platform you can complete within few minutes, and you get paid in dollars. And you can withdraw your dollars to your PayPal account. So what you are going to do right now is to just come over to this hamburger icon, come here, and you can easily just overrun everything about the platform. This is your money. As you can see, here is your money. When you earn any money, your money is going to be down here. So as you can see, this is your money. This is your money. This is the message. This is the skills and language achievement. More. You want to go to settings so you can update your account, the job you have done, the job that was reversed, and the available job. As you can see now, this is how you can create an account with toluka and start earning. As you can see, this is $0 because I have not performed any task. So once you I think the minimum threshold is $5. So once you are able to reach $5, you are able to withdraw your money into your PayPal account or your Pioneer account. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found value. So in the description, there will be a link in the description that can take you to the website and you can sign up easily. I would prefer you sign up through the website and you log in through the app. That will be very easy. So the link in the description will lead you to the website, of which you can easily sign up with toluka and you can start earning in dollars. So with this website, you can make at least $5 a day or $10 a day if you have the time to spare. If you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, you want to earn an extra income and you want to make money online, this app is a good try for you. Go ahead and download it right now. If you're using iPhone or you're using an Android phone, it works for both. And try it out and use this to earn an extra income for yourself. I believe you found value from this content. If you found value, please do well to hit the subscribe button right now and turn on all bell notification. The reason you are doing that is that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop valuable content that will help you make more money online. and also give this video a like. If you have any challenges, any issues at all, or you have any questions for me, drop a comment. I will read all my comment and I will attend to you. So check the description and you will find the link that will lead you to the website. You can sign up there and start earning. All right, thanks for watching this video again, and I'll see you in my next video.